As part of efforts to curb environmental hazards in the Federal Capital Territory, Director General of an Emergency Management Agency, FEMA Dr Abbas Iddriss, is advocating for the establishment of a safety commission regulated by the agency in order to protect lives and property. The Director General stated this in Abuja during a press briefing with newsmen on the activities of the agency in 2022. Dr. Abbas Iddriss said equipping residents with authentic knowledge in relation to safety measures will go a long way in reducing man-made disasters. FCT correspondent Naomi Oleribe has details.
While giving a scorecard of his agency, Dr. Abbas Iddriss stated that in 2022, FEMA responded to 42 distress calls on the 112 emergency toll-free numbers. According to him, it shows a marked reduction to 2021, where FEMA recorded 173 distress calls. He attributed this reduction to the massive sensitization of residents and advocated for a safety commission that will help reduce the numbers drastically.
We are advocating that we should have a safety commission in the FCT. And the safety commission will take charge of the responsibilities of issuing those licenses, because most of these gas stations, they don't have the training and the adequate staffing that will be able to handle. Even when you go to buy your cylinder gas, you're supposed to have a protective gear. You as somebody who comes to buy as a customer, you must have protective gear to be within that vicinity. And you will see that those people coming, they come with their bobaniga and agbada, whatever, and they collect their cylinder and go and refill. That is not the way it's supposed to be. They must protect themselves and protect their customers.
On the flooding that ravaged the country last year, the Director General said FCT has become a standard in flood control in the country. He connected this development to early warning and massive sensitization on what to do before the rains, during the rains, and after the rains.
We have adequate collaboration. I also said we are going to consistently engage the local emergency management committee and the area councils so that they also do the right thing at the area council. So the issue of Kubwa, in fact, they just reported to us. The report, I think I've endorsed the report. We have identified all those things that you have mentioned, and we have advised the relevant agencies, AEPD, STDD, and the facility maintenance, as well as the FCDA. We have given them that report. And as soon as we give them a report, we definitely respond to it, and we do that through the permanent secretary.
Meanwhile, Director Forecasting, Response and Mitigation, FEMA, Mrs. Florence Wenegeme, while thanking the media for its constant collaboration, highlighted that sensitization is the best tool in disaster management.
Sensitization is the best innovative tool in managing disaster management or in disaster risk reduction. And that is why you can see that FCT is ahead of other states in the country when it comes to issue of mitigation and prevention of death and loss of properties.
The Director General further said that FEMA intends to introduce emergency marshals this year. According to him, these are volunteers who assist students, hospital workers, persons with disabilities, and other public servants during emergencies. They also assist in facility services, risk management, and safety services by reporting conditions in a building that could present a hazard during an emergency. From the nation's capital, Naomi Oleribe, ABN News.